Choose freedom, choose adventure, choose leisure.
Hi campers, welcome back to the Choose Leisure Motorhome channel. My name's Dawn, I'm one of the dedicated handover technicians here at Choose Leisure Motorhomes in Canterbury in Kent, and today I'd like to give you a tutorial on the Truma Combi heating and hot water controls. Now there are various different panels for this one, so if you want to come with me, we'll show you how that's done. Okay campers, so here we are on the inside of the vehicle and we are looking at your Truma Combi control panel. Now this particular system only runs on mains electric, so you will need to be plugged into mains and you will need to have your 12-volt system turned on. Now with this particular system you can see there's an outer ring, okay, which will do your temperature, and then you've got an inner ring with a little kind of line on it to tell you an indicator of what function you're putting it on. So at the moment it's currently set to the off position, which is the 0. Above the 0, you've got two hot water settings, 40 degrees and 60 degrees, so washing up water and shower water. And that is what we call your summer mode because it's water only. If I go down below the circle, you've got a flame symbol, and in this instance, that flame symbol means heating. It doesn't mean anything to do with gas. This system only runs on electric. So you've got a flame symbol there that will set your heating. So if I turn your heating to on, you've got mains electric coming in, so then you'll be able to change the room temperature of this particular dial. And then below that, you'll have hot water and heating. So if you want your hot water on for shower water to heat it to 60 degrees and your heating on to whatever room temperature you set it to, then you can have both. Before you shut it down, of course, when the fans kick in, and they will be making heating quite nicely, you've always got to remember to turn your heating kind of down first, then click it into the off position before you cut the power so that the fans can release all of that pent up kind of energy and heat. And then once it's all shut down nicely and you've given it room time to shut down, then you can turn your 12-volt system off. So there you have it then campers, that's how to work your Truma heating and hot water controls. So I hope you found that tutorial useful. So don't forget to like and subscribe us so that you won't miss out on any future videos that may be of interest to you later on. And in the meantime guys, carry on camping.